Okay, so now we're at recipe number 2 of corned beef and cabbage leftovers. So this is going to be a sandwich recipe. I'm going to make some Reubens. So how I like to make them is I like to basically make a grilled cheese sandwich with the Swiss cheese and the corned beef, and I heat the sauerkraut separate, and then I assemble it all together with some of the Russian or Thousand Island dressing sauce. So I have some sauerkraut heating in the pan here. Get this burner turned on and we'll get these marble rye breads buttered on each side. I don't know how you guys like your Reuben sandwiches, but I actually like more sauerkraut than meat. My husband's more of a meat person. His usually have more meat and cheese. But let me know below in the comments what your favorite ratio for Reuben sandwiches is. Corned beef in the microwave just for a few minutes to get a little bit of the chill off of the meat before adding it on here. So this year I got a flat cut of the corned beef. What cut do you guys usually use when you get the corned beef for your St. Patty's Day, or just to have corned beef and cabbage? If you let me know down below. I couldn't remember if I usually get the point cut or flat cut. If you guys can see my little taste tester, as soon as the corned beef came out, she came out Loretta. Alright, so let's get these sandwiches flipped here. Is heated through, so we'll add a little bit to that. Get these off and plate them. Alright, so there you have it. Reuben sandwiches from corned beef and cabbage leftovers. I'd like to thank you for spending time with me today in the kitchen. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and refer a friend. See you next time. Take care.